Yabona into engizonitshela yona bafethu. If you're a guy and you are an influencer or an influencer rather on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, social media, mabu famous. Ngicela ukhumbule ukuthi une responsibility ne. Because there are these young girls who are bored at home. Uzithola ukuthi seya ku inbox yakho ke manje ku inbox yakho mawuthi abheka umntana abantu under age. So ngicela nenze sure ukuthi nani bane responsibility ukuthi labo bantwana labo naba discipline nibakhombeni endleleni eright. Nani bazali ngicela nenze sure man ukuthi hayi man na monitor ukuthi abantwana bayenzani ngama phone ngoba siyathola ukuthi manje. Let me tell you what happened. Bengihleli actually endlini about 2 nights ago, right? Ngihleli kanjalo sharp ngibhorekile nami how kitling ngeni inbox hi sharp ubani sesiyakhuluma manje nalomuntu masiloko sikhuluma kanje how okay sharp umuntu sekafuna ukuthi iswele kuma WhatsApp yangithola case awela kuma WhatsApp sesiyaringa ke manje umuntu uthi ubhorekile ufuna ukuza kusasa ngithi sure zwakala kusasa it would be great. I would love some company vele ngizobe ngishuta i-content yabo ngizobe ngishuta i-content uthi okay sharp uzovela naye yabo ngoba ubhorekile ngithi alright sure ngithumela isithombe ngibona ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani hayi umuntu wakhona makathumela lesithombe okay uyasithumela but I can't really see the face clearly, right? So manje kenzakalani into enzakalayo ukuthi manje okay sharp ngiyamtshela ukuthi angisiboni kahle isithombe ngithumela i-voice note maka reply i-voice note nyaza i-voice nyana engaka develop nyasho ukuthi ingathi usasemncane nje usayingane kenzakalani ngawe yabo uyaphendula the intercom, sorry about that. Angisingingane ngina 14, 15. I'm like, yeah. What? No. Ngamtshela fast ukuthi hey suka lapho kuma inbox wami mina nawe angeke size sihlangane ngoba ngimdala kunawe and wena usayingane kumele ukhulume nentanga zakho. Ngamtshela futhi nakhona ukuthi yazini kusasa uhlala endlini ungayi ukuthi uyakhona ukuthi ubhorekile ini find something to do, study. Ngasho ke ngiyamblock. So ngiyacela bafethu guys please if you find yourself in that position just make sure that you are the responsible one. Make sure that you discipline that young girl because she's a minor. So nenze kahle ke ukuthi nenze into right. Bazali ngiyanicela nani please guys, please monitor your children's devices. That's it.